In this tutorial, I will teach you how to create QR codes on Squarespace. By the end of this session, you will be fully equipped to conveniently direct people to specific pages on your website using QR codes. Let's begin. First things first, you must navigate to the Pages panel in the back end of your Squarespace website. This panel serves as the control room of your website, and it's where you'll adjust the layout and modify the technical details for each page. Make sure to be logged in to your Squarespace account and, from the home menu, click on Pages. Now that we've entered the Pages panel, identify the specific page you would like to create a QR code for. It could be a About Us page, a contact page, or any other page you wish to direct traffic towards. Upon locating it, take note of the small gear icon adjacent to the page title. This icon is essentially your gateway to the settings page. Click it. Now that the settings menu is in front of you, head over to the General tab, which houses some basic customization and visibility options for your page. Pay special attention to scroll down. Here, you'll see an option labeled QR code. This is the tool that will help you create a QR code for your page. Proceed to toggle this wonderful feature on. Now sit back and let Squarespace do its magic. A QR code will promptly pop up. This is a square-shaped barcode readable by QR code readers and smartphones that will direct users straight to your page. But we're not quite finished yet. With the QR code successfully generated, it's time to save it. Notice the Download QR code text just beneath the QR code image? Click it. This action will initiate the download of a PNG file comprising your unique QR code to your computer. Once the download is complete, it's recommended to store it in a place that's easy to remember and access for future use. Before ending the task, there's one more small but crucial step left. Any changes implemented on the page must be saved. This solidifies the creation of your QR code by integrating it into your page. So, to wrap this process up, go ahead and save your changes. And now you've done it. You have successfully created a QR code for your Squarespace website page. The QR code is yours to share, print, or distribute as you please. By following these simple steps, taking full advantage of the QR code tool in Squarespace is easy. Thanks for joining, and see you in the next tutorial.